Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I make these cupcakes, then go ahead and keep on watching. So here I'm just showing you guys how I laid out my cupcakes to form my number 3, and I did use 24 cupcakes. I was able to fit 24 in this specific layout. So here I'm just going to be making my rosettes using Wilton tip 1M. And to do this is literally the easiest type of piping for beginners, and this is literally a classic type of piping that everybody does on cakes. So when you're doing a rosette, you're just going to go straight down, you're going to press, and you're going to make a small swirl and then go around that, making a bigger swirl. And my tip at the end is once you start getting towards the end of that rosette, let go of the pressure and slowly go along with the frosting that's left to finish that shape, that we don't get like a big thick tip at the end, like how I just did here. So these cupcakes were actually for my baby niece. She just turned 3. And she had told me she really wanted cupcakes. And she wanted purple, blue, pink, unicorns, candy, butterflies, flowers, all incorporated into her cake. So this is just what I came up with. Okay, now here I'm going to be showing you how I got my double colors in one. So you're going to start out with making a flat layer around your whole piping bag, and make sure you can see your tip at the very bottom, how I just showed you guys. And the easiest way I found to do this is to put my other base color in my piping bag with no tip. And we're just going to slowly put it a little bit in, and then slowly start pressing onto our bag to create pressure to fill up our bag with all the frosting, like how normally we would fill it up to pipe. And the color you're going to be putting on the outside is going to be the tip color of the rosettes. And the color you're putting right in the middle is going to be the base, or you're going to see majority of that color in the middle of the flower. And if you're going to be doing this, you do not have to clean your bag over and over. Just keep refilling it like normal. And right before you start piping, squeeze out that first batch of buttercream to make sure you get your right colors before you pipe on the cupcake. And like here, once I start piping it out, my main color was going to be purple because I did put purple on the inside, and my outside line color is going to be blue because I did put the blue on the outside. The type of piping that I'm doing is using tip 1M from Wilton, and it is called a rosette because it looks like a rose, and it's one of the easiest pipings designs you can do, especially if you're a beginner. All you just have to always remember is keep a light pressure on your bag in order to create like that nice dimension. And I already did love these colors put together, the blue and the purple. It looks so cute, like a cotton candy theme. And here I am using canned frosting. I just hacked it to make it more workable, and I'll link that video in the description box so you guys can see. And these are the rosettes. They look super cute and super nice. Now I did go to the Dollar Tree, and these are some of the candies I did pick up. And I picked up those top things. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make some cute butterflies to cover up some of these gaps, because I didn't really care about the gaps because I knew I was going to put candy in between. So these sprinkles, I did get them from Walmart, and I already went ahead and put all my candies in a bowl. And these are the gummies. They really look super like a unicorn. I was so impressed with how they look, because the cookies I'm using also in the video, they did not look like unicorns at all. So here I'm just going to be using my pretzels and those marshmallows that I got from the Dollar Tree to create these cute butterflies. So what you first want to do is find 2 pieces that look similar in size and shape, because these are going to be the wings. And all you're going to do is just angle them slightly right onto your frosting. With a little bit of pressure, push down on them to make sure they don't move. And then I'm going to be ripping up my marshmallow to create the body of the butterfly. And let's say you don't want to use the marshmallows, you could just pipe on the body with the frosting you're already using. But I wanted to use the marshmallow so I can go ahead and add more candy to this cupcakes. I ended up finding how to make these butterflies because I was just scrolling on Pinterest, and I saw this picture, and it had these cute little pretzel butterflies on them. And I was like, oh, those would be so nice and cute to add to my cupcakes. And this is how they look up close. I did end up adding more butterflies after the fact. I have taken all my pictures and stuff because I feel like I needed more butterflies to make it pop. And I did originally want to paint these pretzels pink, but when I went to the store, I could not find that edible spray from Wilton. If not, I would have totally painted them pink. So now I'm just going to fast forward the video so I can add all these candies. It did take me a good minute to try to figure out how I wanted to lay out my cupcakes to make the number 3 design. And this is just the best way I figured it out. So I'm able to use all my 24 cupcakes. And as long as I made sure I just squeeze them all together to create a nice shape. And you can never go wrong by making a pull-apart cupcake cake, because you can design any type of thing you want. So while I was at the Dollar General, I found these little cute stickers. They come in a pack. I think I paid like $1. And I'm just going to go ahead and add them to my board, because I feel like my niece would just like that, all the little extra designs on there. I feel like pull-apart cakes are just so fun and easy, because you can do any design, any shape, and really the creativity is endless. And this is how it looks when I was done. I did end up going back and adding 2 more butterflies, but the camera did not do any justice because they look way super and vibrant and nice in person. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching.